Hey everybody, it's Kanesha from boldlivingtoday.com. Ooh, this light is bright. So I just wanted to say hi and happy Saturday. I know it's been a crazy week. Oh my gosh, so emotional and a lot's going on. I just had the great opportunity to teach my Hack Your Planner workshop. Such a good time. I always get so excited about teaching this workshop, and I taught it today. And I'm teaching it again on Thursday, September 10th at 4:30 p.m. Pacific, 6:30 p.m. Central, and 7:30 p.m. Eastern on September 10th. And what we talked about was productivity, your productivity profile, your planner personality, and then all the tools that could go into it. So we had great questions. Really good time. So I wanted to show you a couple of, well, it's more than a couple, honestly. I have a table full. But I wanted to show you some of the tools we discussed, and hopefully you'll be able to join us in September because it's going to be a good time. And some of the participants today said that they didn't realize just the different ways that you could organize yourself with a planner system, because we went beyond talking about just using the traditional paper planner. We talked about how to elevate that and then how to create different systems within. So let me just show you some of the materials that we used or talked about. So of course, using a whiteboard and then different things, but I am a super washi tape fanatic and junkie. So we talked about how to use that and how to repurpose. Oh, there's my diffuser going. Had to have that during the workshop. We talked about how to repurpose different planner systems and fold it into what you're doing right now in case you really like that system but you didn't like the planner. Different things like stickers and then contact paper. I love talking about that and giving people different tools. How to set up an organized system, a caddy system with a beverage carrier. Talked about that. Repurposing envelopes and how to do that. Clear envelopes, boxes as planner systems, different inserts you can put in, and just a variety of tools and things that people may have to purchase that would be really inexpensive, different things you can repurpose in your home, and then different things that you might want to purchase for your planner system. So I always get excited talking about those things just because organization doesn't have to be dull or boring. It can be fun and creative. And I also think that sometimes people are overwhelmed by trying to figure out how to set it up by themselves. And I'm here to help. So hopefully I will see you next week in the learning lab with us. It's all on Zoom. So you can come as you are. You're not on camera. You can, have a baby in your arms, or you can have your coffee or whatever your beverage is at that time. Have your planner tools and learn with us. So September 10th, Thursday, September 10th, 4:30 Pacific time and 6:30 Central, 7:30 Eastern. And the information's on my website, boldlivingtoday.com. I believe the link is in my bio. I'll double check that. But I'm 80% positive that it's there. But hack your planner with us in the Bold Living Today community. So hope to see you there. And oh yes, we recorded, and then we'll have the information put in the portal a couple of days after the session, just in case you would have to leave early. And then there's going to be tips and tools coming. So yes, and if you have any questions, just contact me here or DM me or contact me through the contact form on boldlivingtoday.com. So I hope everybody has a great and relaxing Saturday. Today might be the time to get your planner tools ready so you can join us on September 10th. And look, there's my heat press that has nothing to do with planners. All right, bye everybody. Oh, thank you, Bess. You're amazing too, honey. Thanks for coming to the Hack Your Planner last year. That was so fun. I can't believe how many kids we had there. That was awesome, or teens, I should say. Yes, so have a good day, everybody. Thanks.